Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use SQL. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard language for managing and manipulating relational databases. It allows you to perform essential operations like creating new data, reading existing information, updating records, and deleting unwanted entries. Understanding SQL is fundamental for anyone working with data, providing a powerful tool to interact with and extract valuable insights from your databases efficiently and effectively. Let's dive in. Now, let's explore the 4 fundamental SQL commands that form the backbone of database interaction. The select statement is used to retrieve data, allowing you to view specific information. Insert into adds new rows, populating your tables with fresh data. To modify existing records, you'll use update, ensuring your information stays current. Finally, delete from removes unwanted rows, helping maintain data integrity. Mastering these commands is your first step to becoming proficient in SQL. Once you can retrieve data, you'll want to refine your results. The where clause is crucial for filtering, letting you specify conditions to include only relevant rows. You can combine multiple conditions using logical operators like and, or, and not for precise filtering. To organize your output, order by sorts your data in either ascending or descending sequence. Additionally, the limit clause can restrict the number of rows returned, which is useful for managing large datasets. These tools help you pinpoint exactly what you need. For more complex data analysis, SQL offers powerful advanced techniques. Join operations are essential for combining related data from 2 or more tables, creating a comprehensive view. The group by clause allows you to aggregate rows that share common values, enabling summary calculations. Functions like count, sum, and AVG then summarize this group data, providing valuable insights. Finally, having filters these aggregated groups based on specific conditions, giving you even finer control over your analytical results. These features unlock deeper data understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.